Hi friends, today let's check how we can get access to the channels, free air channels in UAE. So here what I am having in my hand is a TV3 T2 terrestrial receiver. So it's a very cheap receiver. Nowadays it's very cheap online. You can just buy it from noon.com or amazon.de. And this receiver, this is a very small receiver, very cute receiver. It needs an input. We are connecting in two places. One is like we need an in of the indoor antenna, the RFA. Then we need a 5 volt 2 ampere which is coming with this receiver. So this is an HD DVB T2 receiver. It has an HDMI port also. So this is the receiver. It's a very small receiver, very cute receiver and very useful receiver. It has one USB port also, and it has one audio input also. So the USB port will help you to plug in pen drive and see almost all the type of video formats, videos and all. So I'm not going into too much with that, but again it can play almost all the formats, but few formats like MKV and all is not supported when I was testing it. TV, and we can have the connection to TV from HD out, which is very clear. This is the indoor antenna which I purchased for this purpose. And why I particularly purchased this, because this has a long base. So I strongly believe this will be having more reception than the other ones, and the cable is also very lengthy. I think it is around 5 meter plus the cable. So it gives you ample length. If the signal is weak, you can just place it to the window or somewhere, which the reception will be more. And the next thing which we require is an amplifier that also comes with this antenna. You can check with the vendor. So this is the amplifier, and the 5 volt power supply. You can use the TV's power supply also. I mean TV, there is a USB out, so you can use that USB out to power the amplifier. Let's check how this works. So this is the amplifier. So from the antenna you have to connect the amplifier like this, and from the amplifier you have to connect it to the DV2 receiver which I have shown you. So this is the receiver, and we can connect it like this. And from the receiver you can use the HDMI out, use an HDMI cable, and you can just get connected to the TV. And how it works, this is the HDTV antenna. From the antenna you have to connect it to the amplifier, and from the amplifier you can just connect it to the receiver box. From the receiver you can connect it to the TV, and the power has to be given with either a USB separate power adapter, or you can use the TV's, because I was connecting it to the TV's USB itself and it was working very fine. So this is it. You will be getting 5 channels which I will be showing you how to tune it and how to get the channels. Thank you guys, and let's enjoy. This is very cheap, and I think almost all the channels are Arabic. Only the receiver box is coming with a remote control. You can just press the menu button, then you can just browse and tune the channels, and tuning the channels is shown in my next video, the next portion. Okay, so thank you guys. It has everything. The manuals are coming with this. This is the manual of the receiver. It's very easy and
تأثير الصدمة عليه لما مامته تتجوز عيل زينا؟ لا، ولا هي غيرة كمان. أنا عارف إن سليم أفضل ابن.
ضعونا صنع درج جيد.
السبب بغض النظر عن تريقتك وتلميحاتك هو الثروة اللي لسه فاضلة في ايدين الناظر، اللي انت بتعتبرها حقك المختصر، وكنت ساكت عليها باعتبار ان الجزء الاكبر منها هيروح لعادل في المستقبل. لكن بعد ما طق في دماغها انها تتجوز بقى خطر. الخطر ده هو اللي استفزك وخلاك تطلع كل اسلحتك وتكليها وتسنقها. واللي حصل النهارده ده هو المشاكل. شوف يا هانم، طول ما التحدي موجود هتشوفي من سليم ده اكتر واكتر.
وحتى لو سلمنا التحليل انا بدافع عن حقي وحق ابني. اسيب واد صايع زي ده يستولي على فلوسي وفلوس عندي؟
جايز يكون معاك حق وانا مش بلومك، بدليل ان انا نفذت دوري في الضد. انا بس بفهم الهانم وارد على كشتها.
انتوا بتتكلموا يا جماعه وكأن خطتكم نجحت فعلا، وناظر هانم خافت وتراجعت.
ده اللي هيحصل.
ده بيحلم، لسه متصور انه سليم البدري بتاع زمان وانه يقدر يتحكم فيا ويبني شروطه. ايه يا فوزيه؟ المحل ما جاش ليه؟ زمانه زي انت هادي، انا فحمته ولسه على ما يلبس ويجي من بيته من العباسيه. يمكن هو. اهلا يا استاذ.
ايه الكارثه اللي حصلت وخلت اليمين على الوش؟
اتفضل واحكي لك.
كثير من القصائد وعندهم تجربه انت واجب عليك ان انت تقدمها باكثر من صوره يعني تحتفي بها.
وايضا الشاعر بهالامور بكوني دقيقة إن أحكام بخودش تعلق نمیگیره فقط راه مش استعلاء وقت.
المتراكمة بسبب الحجز على أموالهم المجمدة في الاتحادين الدولي والآسيوي. أعلن الاتحاد الأردني لكرة القدم.
إذا هذا حمام رجل جنسي أصلي.
أنا أعلم إنه صغير جدا.
وهي بط.
أنت عامل إيه في دراستك؟
مش مبسوط. ما كانش المفروض
الموضوع اللي بتناوله
هي أشتاق.
تصفيات مونديال البرازيل.
غرفة بنيت لعرض طرق الإنجاز المتوافرة، الوحدات المختلفة.